Yeah, hi everyone. So my project is tag-based image search using social re-ranking. Image search is based on the re-rank as well as the tag name. So this is my homepage of my application. So you'll be having a user and an admin. So once first I will show the admin. I'm logging into that. So I'm logging into user. Right. So this is a admin login. This is a home page. Okay. Next, we have all inter and intra images. We can view. Let's say I'm viewing intra images. These are these are the intra images. Intra is nothing but a group of group of each image. This is the animal group, birds group, as well as the insect group. It separates each group, and inter is nothing but every image is based on one. We can view all images in one column. Irrespective of groups, animal, birds, insects. Uh, so next, we have all friend status. We can have friend requests from one user to another user. Based on friend request, we can increase our search, rank of each image. So here I3 user is friend with I2, A1 user is friend with I1. First, a user has to send a friend request, and that need to be approved by his friend. View all images. We can view all images that are present in our application. This is a parrot image. Here the images are not loading, and we can view those images in new tab. You can see here the parrot image. This is a bee image. Let's see, open in new tab. This is a bee image. So we can also view the details of that each image. So here are the details of each name. Which group it belongs to, the image name as well as the tag name, the color. We can search the images based on the color as well as description also. So let's go with another thing. View recommended images is nothing but any users are recommended any images to increase their rank. Uh, and also view all search requests. So any user can request a search request to the admin that has to be approved by admin. So view dislikes. We can view the dislikes if any user disliked any images. Those will be reflecting here. I think didn't dislike anything. Okay. View image rank. This is the final one. Uh, how many times the eagle is being searched? That is 5 times. How many times the peacock is being searched by the users? This is 2 times. This is completely a pie chart. These are the all images that I have. So let's log out from the admin and let's log into the user. I created few users. These are three groups that I have. Let's say I'm logging into the user one, A1. So once I log in, here this is a user homepage. In user homepage, first thing is a view profile, user's profile. We can view his profile, username. Here we can see a user image too. This is a user image. Uh, I uploaded it. Okay. User, the group he belongs to, the user name, his mail ID, everything, his contact, everything details. Okay. Next, go to search intra friends. Intra friends are nothing but based on a particular group. This is a animal group, right? We can only search the animal group. Let's say search. Okay, this is A1, right? We cannot search the same. Search intra images. Let's say A2. Search. Sorry, these are search friends, not images. A2. We have a user called A2. This is a A2. We can also send a friend request to that A2 user. You can see the friend request is sent. Search interference. Interference are nothing but irrespective of groups. All groups. So let's say let's say I3. I3 is nothing but insect groups. I3 user. So previously in intra we cannot search the I3 user. In inter we can search. Already I sent a request to the user I3. So the main advantage is in my previously in existing system this was not there intra and inter properly. So view friend request. So if someone has sent, I sent a friend request to I5 and V5. These are waiting. they didn't accept it till now. Let's say if they accepted, we can recommend images to them. I mean, we can increase our rank of each image. So send image search request. I mean, this search request we can send to the admin, so he has to approve that. Let's say view my images. What are the images that I have uploaded? We can view. These are the description of each of that image. Let's say what image that I have uploaded. Okay, elephant image. So I uploaded the elephant image. We can upload any number of images. So add image. We can add a image. I said we can upload image. So image title. This everything we need to choose the file. So you may search intra-group images. Intra-group images are nothing but based on same group. Same group is nothing but this is animal group, right? We can only search based on animal group. Let's say lion. We have lion on that. I'm not sure. Yeah, we have. So this is lion. Okay. We can also search based on the color of the image. Let's say color brown. So based on brown, we have two images in this group, horse and lion. You can see that brown. Okay, this thing. I think we can search based on the description of an image also. I don't know what description. Let's say wild animal. No, I think we need to see the description. I forgot that. Okay. Let's say search inter images. Inter images are nothing but based on all groups. Previously, I typed brown, right? We got only two results based on the brown. Here we can get four results. You can see eagle. This is a eagle is a birds group, or sparrow. This is a birds group. So we can get the images based on, from different groups also. Here the intra as well as inter. This thing is not present in the previous system. So here I introduced them. So view recommended images. My friends, does someone recommended any images for me? Okay, yeah. Ivan user, Ivan, he recommended two images for me, so I can view details. If I view, the rank of this image will be increased. Okay, it's taking a lot of time to respond. Okay, these are description of each image. You can see. Okay, next. View my search history. Okay, what are the images that I search? Just now I searched entire images like B1 bird, B1 image, right? That is thing history and log out. This is my application. So main thing is these two intra friend requests, inter friends, as well as intra group image search, and inter group image search. This is the main thing in my application. So just log out. So that's it. This is my